In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top of it. If you can't see it, select this gear. Tap on voice typing and click on the white switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is off. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!